Good morning. I'm Andy Myers at Weiss Research.
I'm Jen Amos, and this is your morning market update for Thursday, January 6th. Stocks on Wall Street are relatively flat as investors continue to focus on the job market. Before the bell, the Labor Department reported that 409,000 Americans filed for first-time unemployment benefits last week, 9,000 more than economists expected. However, the 4-week average of new claims, which is considered more accurate because it smooths out the weekly data, dropped by 3,500 to reach its lowest level since 2008. The news comes on the heels of yesterday's blockbuster ADP report, which showed that 297,000 private sector jobs were created last month, the biggest increase on record. That prompted economists to raise their estimates for December job growth to about 200,000. The government's closely watched report is due out tomorrow morning.
While investors seem bullish on the labor market, they're not impressed by the performance of retailers in December. Several big chains missed forecasts for same-store sales last month, including Target, Macy's, and Gap. Those stocks are all sharply lower in early trading. However, there were a couple bright spots. Dillard department stores posted December sales of 7%, well above Wall Street estimates. Pier 1 imports also topped expectations, sending those shares 1% higher this morning. In addition to the retailers, technology stocks are likely to be back in focus today as the Consumer Electronics Show continues in Las Vegas. Check back with us tomorrow morning for any major news out of that conference.
We're also keeping an eye on oil this morning. Crude prices are moving back and forth across the $90 a barrel mark, now trading just above that level. But energy stocks are on the rise. BP, Halliburton, and Transocean are all posting solid gains after a presidential commission finished its report on the Gulf of Mexico oil spill. It concluded that the disaster resulted from a failure of management at all three companies. But investors seem relieved that the investigation is over, despite the findings. Meanwhile, ExxonMobil opened higher after Oppenheimer upgraded the stock to outperform.
Some other big movers to tell you about this morning. Metro PCS is tumbling nearly 9% after the wireless firm reported its subscriber data. It added 298,000 new subscribers in the fourth quarter, well below its results in the same period the previous year. Shares of Constellation Brands are also moving lower in early trading, despite a relatively positive earnings report. Quarterly profit at the wine and spirits maker rose 18%, topping analyst estimates. However, revenue fell as wine sales remained weak. Right now, Constellation shares are down nearly 4%. A couple more big companies will report November-end quarterly results before the start of the fourth quarter corporate earnings season, including Monsanto today and KB Home tomorrow. That's the latest from Weiss Research. Have a great trading day.